Greetings, Doctor. This is the video assignment for BZT306 2023, a social predation behavior in South American electric eels. My name is Arifah Ashabitu Maslan with metric number 150338 from School of Biological Sciences, USM. Next, let me introduce the background of the research paper I have chosen. Volta electric eels, Electrophorus voltae, can generate up to 860 volts during hunting strikes. High voltage pulses act like taser and hijack prey's nervous system, causing them to twitch violently. This will expose the prey's hiding place, such as under the bark, under the rock, or anything else. So electric eels usually hunt solo at night, but also display group foraging behavior under certain circumstances, which is hunt shoaling prey and forage during twilight. Because why? The prey are very aware of their surroundings during that time. Next, why is this topic chosen by me? There are three reasons of why. The first one is the ability of electric eel to evolve their way of hunting. The second one is cooperative behavior in aquatic animal. And last but not least is insight into group dynamics. First one, the ability of electric eels to evolve their way of hunting, because before this, electric eels only display solo hunting behavior. But once the food resource have changed, the prey are now shoaling, and there are also only larger prey exist, so they need to evolve their way of hunting, and they're starting to do the social predation. The second one is cooperative behavior in aquatic animal. While social predation is well known in various terrestrial species such as wolves or lions, it is less common in aquatic organisms such as electric eels. Studying social predation in electric eels provide valuable insights into the evolution and mechanisms of cooperative behavior in aquatic ecosystem. Last but not least, insight into group dynamics. Exploring social predation in electric eels allows researchers to investigate how individuals within a group interact and cooperate during hunting activities. It is also shed light into coordination, communication, and division of labor. Next is the objective of the research paper. There are two. The first one is challenge single foraging strategy hypothesis, and the second one is understanding behavioral response. Challenging single foraging strategy hypothesis. The old hypothesis saying that the electric eel hunts alone, meanwhile they are not only hunt alone, but they also display group foraging behavior. The strategy are not efficient enough, which is the solo hunting, against shoaling prey during twilight and also against larger prey. Hence, the question is, do electric eels opt to new tactics? Second one is understanding behavioral response. Electric eel hunts by responding to environmental and social stimuli. Now, what are the stimuli, and how do electric eels respond to the stimuli? These are making us able to unravel the adaptive significance and ecological roles of electric signaling. Now, for the hypothesis, the first one is electric eel can engage in cooperative hunting behavior, and the second one is electric eel hunts in its natural habitat. Next is the observation I have found while reading this paper is electric eel have four behavioral states, which is resting, interacting, migrating, and also hunting. We will go deeper after this slide. Next one is hunting strategy. The electric eel will start social predation by swim together in loose groups, spawning to its hunting area. They will swim in a circle, herding small fishes into prey ball. Then they will push the prey ball to its shallow water and launching joint predatory strike. The prey is then hit by high voltage electrical discharge and jumped out of water, returning stunned and motionless. Lastly, the prey is swallowed by the eel itself or even opportunistic behavior. Last but not least is the active hour. Electric eels' active hour are usually during dawn and dusk. Now, as you can see from the graph up above, the peak of the graph is during hunting, which is during dawn and also dusk. The eel will start from resting position and go into interacting with each other and migrating to shallow water, and lastly starting the hunting attacks. And after hunting, they will migrate back to their resting area and rest until dusk and repeating again the same behavior. Advantages of social predation. The first one is access to larger prey. Next, increase hunting efficiency, reduce risks of injury, cooperative defense, and enhance productive success. The first one is electric eel before this are only able to hunt a single prey, and after they have displayed a group foraging behavior, they are able to hunt to a shoaling prey with a lot of quantity and also a larger prey such as caiman, hunting efficiencies increase because they are now able to access to a larger quantity of prey or larger size of prey, reduce risk of injury because they are now able to cooperate with each other and defend each other from unwanted condition. And lastly, enhance productive success because now they are able to eat more, have more energy to spend for their reproduction. In summary, the social predation behavior by electric eels really do wonders to us as humans, as it shows their ability to cooperate in a short while to achieve the same goal. They have adapted to secure survivability of their own species by changing their old way of hunting. This evidence provides much needed information about their interplay during natural selection, sensory ecology, and also behavior. These are the reference I have used for this presentation. Thank you so much for listening.